Very warm welcome, dear students. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are studying for your UT. So today we in GK class we only going to do the current affairs of May 2020. So let's begin our class with the first question. Who has been appointed as a new chairman of CBSE? Mr. Manoj Ahuja appointed as a new chairman of Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE on 12th May 2020. Next question. Which among the following state became the first one to launch an innovative scheme, FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana? Madhya Pradesh government launched FIR Aapke Dwar Yojana on May 11, 2020. The scheme has been launched in 23 police stations as a pilot project. Under the scheme, a person need not go to police station to dodge a complaint. The scheme will enable on-spot FIR registration. It will also deploy head constable to register the complaint from the people. Next question is, which state has become the first one in India to regulate cultivation of crop? The answer is Telangana. Telangana has become the first state to regulate the cultivation of crop by telling farmer what to grow as a part of its pilot project. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao issued a statement on 12th May 2020 saying that the state will limit growing of paddy to 50 lakh acres. That's a good initiative by Telangana government. Let's move on to the next question. India was ranked at which position on Global Energy Transition Index 2020? The answer is India was ranked at 74th position on Global Energy Transaction Index. The annual index was released by the World Economic Forum on 13 May 2020. India's ranking has been improved this year in a key parameters of economic security, economic growth, and environmental sustainability. The next question. Which union ministry has launched Champion Portal? The Ministry of MSME. The full form is Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Sectors. Launch a Champion Portal www.champion.gov.in on 12th May 2020 to assist the Indian micro, small, medium enterprises sector to become the national and global champion. Next question. How much fund has been allocated for development of COVID-19 vaccine under PM CARE Fund? The PM CARES Fund Trust has allocated 100 crore for coronavirus vaccine development. The fund will support all COVID-19 vaccine designers and developers in India to catalyze vaccine development. Okay. Next question. The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, which is called CDC, will provide how much financial assistance to India to respond to COVID-19 crisis? The US Center for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, will provide 3.6 million US dollar to assist India in its response to COVID-19 pandemic. Next question. How much package is announced by PM Modi for Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan to revive Indian economy? Mr. Narendra Modi on 12th May 2020 announced Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan economic package worth rupees 20 lakh crores for the revival of Indian economy. The package is aimed at making India self-reliant amid this COVID-19 outbreak. The Atmanirbhar package is focused on land, labor, liquidity and law. Next question. The new map of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Union Territory of Ladakh has been issued. In this new map of India, the government has released a new political map after two new territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, came into existence on October 31st, 2019. The new Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir has a total of 22 districts, while Ladakh has 2 districts. The new map of India depicts the POK, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Muzaffarabad, Mirpur and Poonch as a part of J&K, and Gilgit-Baltistan as a part of Ladakh. So this is the new map which came into existence now, and we move on to the last question, that is 10th. Coronavirus may never go away. The World Health Organization (WHO) has stated that COVID-19 pandemic will never go away from the world. People will require to learn to live with the disease. This cannot be predicted when human will be able to achieve victory over this virus. So, if there is a lockdown or if there's no lockdown, you all have to take care of yourself. Wear a mask whenever you're out in public, and please maintain the social distancing because that's the only way you can protect yourself. And remember one thing, prevention is better than a cure. So take care of yourself and your family till we meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you for listening.